Here is how to move funds between client trust ledgers in Clio Manage step by step. Begin by opening Clio Manage and waiting for the main workspace to load. Once you are in the account, look to the left sidebar and select Accounts. This opens the area where your firm's banking and trust records are managed. From Accounts, choose the trust bank account that currently holds the client funds you need to move. Make sure you are selecting the correct trust account before continuing, since the transfer needs to start from the account where the money is already held. After you click into that account, you will arrive at the Transactions page where the account activity is listed. On the Transactions page, find and click Transfer Funds. This opens the transfer window where you can define how the movement of money should be recorded. In that window, select Between Matters. This option is used when trust funds are being moved from one matter to another for the same client. Next, choose the client whose trust funds you want to transfer. After selecting the client, choose the matter you want to transfer funds from. This is the source matter, so it should match the ledger where the funds are currently sitting. Then select the matter you want to transfer funds to. This is the destination matter, where the transferred amount will be placed once the transaction is recorded. With both matters selected, enter the amount you want to transfer. Be precise here, since the value entered will be deducted from the source matter and added to the destination matter. After that, set the date for the transfer. Use the date that should be reflected in your records for this movement of funds. Before finalizing anything, take a moment to review the transfer details shown in the window. Confirm that the client is correct. The source matter is the one the funds are moving out of, and the destination matter is the one the funds are moving into. Also confirm the amount and the date. This review matters because the transfer will affect both trust ledgers once it is recorded. When everything looks correct, click Record Transfer to complete the transfer. Clio Manage will then save the transaction and update the trust balances for the two matters involved. If the page refreshes or the transaction list updates, that is the completed record being applied to the account. Your client trust funds have now been moved between the selected matters in Clio Manage.